6, which is write research questions. Your search questions are based on your search problem, as we discussed what is search problem in previous step. Next, search questions. What are search questions? Search questions are something you want to study, something you want to answer in your research. It consists of following features. Number 1, specific to particular problem. Okay, it should be specific, should not be long or lengthy. Okay, your search questions, so it should be directly related to your particular search problem. Then it should define your problem in detail. Then it should make sure what you want to know about the problem. Okay, then you should focus on what you want to know about your search problem. Then it should specific problem into question. Then it should make sure such question is answerable. Make sure such question is not broad or too narrow. Then search questions examples. Number 1, what is the impact of HRM practices on employee performance? This is the easiest example of a such question.